I'll make some changes. Okay, what I'll do, as at present we have used 4 and 3 as static numbers, isn't it? That means they are fixed, we cannot change them. Okay, so instead of that, I'll use some random numbers. Let computers generate the number. So for that, we can go to math and we can bring this random integer. Integer means, it's a kind of variable, but just consider it's a number. So we are generating random number between 1 to 100 or 1 to 10. Let's say 1 to 10 as of now. So here we replace. So now number 1 is any number, any random number. We don't know. Computer will generate automatically. So any random number between 1 to 10 is number 1. Then we take number 2. We do the same for number 2. And then answer is equal to number 1 plus number 2. And here we print. Let's use some more print commands. And here we say variable answer number 1. And then we bring a new line, number 1, and text plus text. We are just trying to align. Okay, here we'll use a space, so it will be an alignment, and then a plus, and then number 2, number 2, and then we print the answer again into a new line. We'll use a print for that as well. Now we run. See this. So we have made a calculator ourselves. Can we say that? We have made that. Here, number 1 is generated 8. Number 2 is 10. And then answer is 18. I'll clear and run again. Clear and run. And you will see that number 1 and number 2 will change. Run. Changed. Number 1 changed. Number 2 didn't. One more time. Run. 4 and 3, 7. 8 and 2, 10. 9 and 4, 13. 7 and 10, 17.